Umengameli walokho uJacob Zuma uyokuvela ekhotho ephakemeko yeGauteng eJohannesburg kusasa lapho bekufanele kungangiswane malungana nesibawo sokutjhutjhisela ngeqadi kwakamengameli uCyril Ramaphosa.
Up until the lawyers advise otherwise, the 19th of January, 9:30, His Excellency President Zuma is scheduled to be in court in Johannesburg High Court. So that appointment with the court is still there.
Mhlapha nje ikhothi inikela umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa umlayo wesiqabo esikhatshana ukuthi angatshutjhiselwa ngeqadi ngemva kokufumana idakfare beyithi atshutjhiselwe ngeqadi. Umcozululi wezomthetho uBenedict Phiri uyahlathulula bona kuba yini uZuma kufuza avele ekhotho naphezu komlayo wesiqabo lo.
Why Mr. Zuma's legal representatives would be attending to court tomorrow is because the matter has been enrolled, and as such they would need to articulate to the court what will happen with the matter. In other words, it could be postponed to a date that would be set at a later time, or it could be formally withdrawn or removed from the roll. Whereas if they actually didn't attend at court, then the matter would get struck off the roll automatically by the court.
Umengameli walokho uZuma lingukudosela uRamaphosa ekhotho ePietermaritzburg malungana nokuveza tshachalazi ngokungemthetho imhlolo emumethe impilo yakhe. uZuma bekafuna uRamaphosa njengomengameli asungule ikomishini ephenya malungana nebatsho kwephula umthetho lo ebeyizokubandakanya nephiko lezokutshutjhiswa komphakathi nehlelo lobulungiswa. Ikambiso ekhotho kulendeleke bona ithome kusasa ngo 9:30 ekseni.